Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to wear a blue smoky eye, especially when you combine it with a little bit of purple and tone it down and add some glitter. It looks absolutely stunning, so I can't wait to show you how I created this look. So let's begin. Let's start with the base makeup, and for skincare, I'm going to start with the Dewy Skin Cream by Tatcha. This is a rich moisturizing cream that feeds your skin literally with plumping, hydration and antioxidants to give you that beautiful, dewy, healthy glow. And for lips, I'm going to be using the Rose Lip Balm by Milani. For primer, I'm going to be using the Silk Canvas by Tatcha. This is a filter finish protective primer and has a balm-like feel to it. It fills in all those pores and fine lines and gives you that smooth texture. So whatever you apply on top of this will slide easily on your skin and gives you that flawless finish. Using the orange corrector from the Eye Magic palette that I received from the Online Makeup Academy, I'm going to color correct in areas where I have discoloration on my face, especially under my eyes and around my mouth. I'm going to very lightly dust some loose powder on top of this. I'm using Airspun, and the reason I do this is it quickly sets and it doesn't mix with any other product that I apply on top of this. For foundation, I'm using the stick foundation from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 5. Now, they have discontinued this foundation. However, I love this foundation. Although it's a stick foundation, it doesn't give you a cakey finish. It has always given me a beautiful glow. Absolutely love this. I don't know why they discontinued it, but I still use it. And to add some structure and dimension, I'm going to be cream contouring using my favorite contour stick from Wet n Wild in Call Me Maple. This is so convenient to use. It's so quick and easy. I don't know if you guys have used this, but if you have, you know what I'm talking about. I'm just going to apply it in areas where I want to contour my face, like hollows of the cheekbones, my jawline, my nose, and I'm going to quickly blend it out with a kabuki brush. And then using the Milani concealer, this is in the shade 145, I'm going to highlight the high points of my face. When you apply concealer, don't forget to pull it down to the sides of your nose, otherwise the shadow is casted on the sides and it kind of looks odd. This concealer is my holy grail. It's a beyond gorgeous concealer. It's got satin finish, it's full coverage, it's easy to blend and truly amazing. I'm using a damp sponge to blend out the concealer, and then whatever is remaining on the sponge after I've blended my face out, I'm going to use that on my lids as a base for the eyeshadows. That'll help to cancel out all the redness and the discoloration and even out my skin tone. Before this concealer starts to crease, I'm going to use my Airspun Translucent Loose Powder to set it. I'm going to very lightly dust the powder over in areas where I applied the concealer, and then using a powder puff, I'm going to spread that out evenly across the face. Now to lock in the base makeup so it doesn't move, I'm going to be using a setting spray. This one's from Inglot. Moving on to the exciting part, the eye makeup. Well, not yet. Let's finish up the brows first. And for that, I'm going to be using my favorite brow pencil. This is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit Cosmetics. Very lightly filling in the top part and using the spoolie to brush my brow hair upwards so I can clearly see the bottom part of my brows. I'm going to fill that in as well. Then to set my brows, I'm going to be using a transparent brow gel by Laura Mercier. Because I'm going to be using deeper shades, I just want to prevent any fallouts, and for that I'm going to be dusting some loose powder underneath my eyes. Today I'm going to be using this new palette from Colourpop in Fade into Hue. It's a super easy look. First I'm dipping into Iconic, this beautiful electric blue, and I'm simply placing it in the outer half of my lid, blending it out towards the inner half. And to get maximum pigmentation, don't drag the eyeshadow, just press it onto your lid. Next, with a small blending brush, I'm going to dip into Selfie to blend out the edges. Take your time while doing this because you want a very feathered out look. That's when the eyeshadows look seamless, well blended and beautiful. For the inner part of the lid, I'm mixing two shimmer shadows. Both are gorgeous, the Fantasyland as well as Express. And I'm going to start with the very inner corner, dragging the eyeshadow towards the center part of the lid, mixing and blending it with the blue. You can see how stunning that looks by itself. I'm going to oomph it up even more by applying pressed glitter. And the one that I'm using is Prismatic with a flat shader brush. I'm simply pressing it on top of the shimmer eyeshadow. In my lower lash line, I'm going to first smoke out Selfie using a small flat fluffy brush. And closer to my lash line, I'm going to be using Iconic. In my waterline, I'm using a blue metallic eye pencil. This is Cobalt Craze from Rimmel. For highlighter, I'm using this beautiful palette from Sam Marcel, first to highlight my inner corner and later to highlight my face. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Inglot Gel Liner in black. I'm going to pull out a small wing as well as line my top lash line. I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara. I'm using the Benefit Batgirl Bang. And for lashes, I'm using this one from the It's Faux set. This is an 8-piece foaming lash set by Colourpop. And here is the completed eye look. Now let's finish the rest of the face. I'm going to first start with blush. I'm using the Proline blush palette from the Online Makeup Academy, and I'm going to be using this shade of blush. And for highlighter, again, I'm using the Sam Marcel palette. On my lips, I wanted a lipstick that had a purple undertone. So I'm going to be using the Carity lipstick in Tea Leaves. And on top of it, I'm using the Sam Marcel Luxurious Lip Care, which is basically a beautiful lip gloss, and it also tones down the purple and gives it a more nude purple look. And here is the completed look. So glam, but with less effort. Thank you so much for all the love that you gave me on the yellow eyeshadow look. I hope you like this as well. Let me know in the comments section below. This is a little bit more rich, I feel. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to thumbs up if you did. For your convenience, I've listed every product that I've used in the description box right below this video, along with social media links. If you want to follow me there, or if you want to recreate this look and tag me there, I'll be happy to come by and say hello to you guys. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.